How to make 100 viral shorts and reels every single hour. Yes, I know this sounds a bit crazy at first, but trust me, this is 100% real. You can literally create one short video every minute. And don't worry, all these videos can be monetized properly. So let's jump straight into it. See, these days podcasts are massively trending. Long-form podcast videos are getting great traction, no doubt. But what's performing even better right now is short-form content. Shorts, reels, TikToks, they are going insanely viral. And the best part is, you can upload the same short video on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. That means you're not depending on just one platform anymore. You're building multiple income sources from the same content. Now, inside podcasts, there are many sub-niches. For example, motivation, business quotes, psychology, dark facts, calm aesthetic reels, and many more. So what you need to do is very simple. Just go to YouTube and search for keywords based on your niche, like motivational podcast or business podcast. When you search, YouTube will automatically show you more related keywords from the same niche. Pick any one that fits your content idea and hit enter. You'll see a lot of podcast channels that upload 2 to 3 hour long videos. Open a few of them and carefully check whether they have added captions or not. If they haven't added captions, then honestly, this is a golden opportunity for you. Now just copy the link of that podcast video and go to Opus Pro. You'll find the link in the description below. Once you're there, simply paste the video link inside Opus Pro and move ahead. From here, this tool will help you turn long podcast videos into multiple viral short clips automatically. And this is exactly how you can scale your shorts and reels output like crazy without recording anything yourself. Now, as soon as you paste the video link, you'll see a new dialog box appear on the screen. First of all, select the speech language properly. And one important thing, keep an eye on your credits. 1 minute of video consumes 1 credit. So the longer the podcast video is, the more credits it will use. Just keep that in mind. All right, after that, scroll down to AI clipping. Here, the first thing you need to choose is the clip model. You'll see 3 different AI models, and honestly, all of them work really well. For this demo, I'll select the second AI model. Then keep the clip length on auto and make sure the auto hook option is enabled. This helps Opus AI automatically find the most engaging moments. Next, for best results, you need to choose the genre that fits your content. You'll see many options here, and since this is a podcast video, I'll simply select podcast. Now comes a very powerful part. Include specific moments. This is where you can guide Opus AI and tell it exactly how you want your short-form videos to be created. Basically, you're giving the AI a clear task. So here, I'll add a simple prompt that explains what kind of moments I want in my shorts. This step really helps in improving the quality of the clips. All right, after that, we move to captions. And trust me, this is super important. You'll find a lot of caption presets here. Bold, clean, modern styles. Just select the one that looks best to you. If you want, you can even create your own custom caption template. Finally, choose the aspect ratio based on where you want to upload the videos, vertical for reels and shorts. Then click on Save Settings as default. And after that, simply hit Get Clips in one click. And now, the magic happens. Within just a few minutes, Opus AI will generate around 40 to 50 short videos from a single podcast video. And the craziest part, Opus AI also adds titles automatically to every single short, which is honestly insane. You can select all the videos and bulk download them in one go. Or you can directly connect your social media accounts and schedule all the videos from here. But before publishing, if you want to make any changes, you can easily do that too. Just click on any video and on the right side, you'll see many options. You can directly publish to social media or use the Export XML feature, which is extremely powerful. This allows you to open the video inside professional editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve and make advanced edits if needed. So yeah, this workflow is fast, flexible, and perfect for scaling viral shorts and reels. But now you need to decide where you want to go. AI hook or edit clip. So I'll simply click on AI hook. It'll ask you to add a voiceover, but for now, I'll just skip that option. All right, and this is your editing dashboard. Everything you need is right here, clean and simple. The first thing I'll do is go to captions and apply a new caption preset because this style is trending right now. And wow, instantly the video starts looking much better and more engaging. Captions really change the whole vibe of short form content. Now, if you want to add B-roll in between a talking head video, you can do that in Opus AI with just one click. Simply go to the B-roll section. Here you'll see 3 options: auto-generate AI B-roll, auto-generate stock B-roll, and prompt B-roll. For this example, I'll try auto-generate AI B-roll, and boom, in just one click, the B-roll is added automatically.
For a 2-year program, that's an enormous amount of money, and that's usually financed with debt. And so if you don't have
Perfect, it saves so much time. Opus AI also gives you multiple layout options. Just go to Layouts and choose the one that fits your content best. These days, the split layout is very popular, but for now, I'll select the first layout.
Are financed with debt. And that debt is going to be with you regardless of whether or not you like your career, regardless of the economic situation that you graduate into, regardless of whether or not you get a job at the end of it. You're taking on an...
Okay, now you might notice that some clips don't fit perfectly on the screen. No problem at all. Just select that clip, go back to layout, and choose the fill option. All right, do the same thing for the rest of the video. Quickly check all the clips and set them to fill layout wherever needed. And that's it. With just a few clicks, your short form video looks clean, professional, and ready to go viral. Honestly, this whole process feels smooth and fast, especially if you're creating content at scale. After this, there's one more powerful feature you should definitely know about, and that is frame or subject tracking. This feature keeps your talking head perfectly centered, so your face never goes out of the frame. It's honestly a lifesaver, especially for vertical videos. So just go to Track, then click on Manual Subject Tracking. Now, simply click on the subject. Your subject will get selected automatically. After that, hit Track and then click on Apply. That's it. Now your subject will never miss the frame, and the AI will keep tracking it smoothly in every situation. Pretty amazing, right? All right, you can also fully customize your captions. You can change the font style, adjust the colors, add effects, basically tweak everything to match your brand or the current trend. Once you're happy with the edits, make sure to save the project and then go ahead and export the video. All right, you can do the same kind of minor editing for all your videos. After that, you can either bulk schedule all the videos or bulk download them in one go. Just keep in mind, if you want to schedule them directly, you'll need to connect your social media accounts first, like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and etc. After that, your shorts video will automatically be published. All right, so yeah, this is how you can create dozens of viral shorts from one podcast in just a few clicks. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe for more AI and automation tutorials.